The second, that goal horn went off so often last night, it was interrupting NBC's great play-by-play voice, Doc Emrick, even when the game was over.
And that's it. The Blackhawks, the Stanley Cup champs. With 7. 2 for the Flyers. And the horn wins again.
He's so great.
He's the best.
Oh, man.
Well, that is the news for this Thursday night. We're happy to share time with us.